So you can see I have rust around this front jacking point. To deal with the rust, I need to remove this jacking point. So how to remove? I have got a mirror over here. You can see there is a pin in the middle of the jacking point. I think we need to remove the pin, and then we should be able to remove this jacking point. So we can try to use a screwdriver to get that central pin out. So I will use two hands to try to pry this central pin out with the screwdriver. So you can see it's getting out. Now it has moved out more. I just use a screwdriver, try to get it out. It's nearly out. You can see the whole thing is sticking. See, this is the plug out, that long plug. After this is out, I hope this jacking point should be okay to come out. Maybe I use a screwdriver just to help it coming out. So right here, yeah, so it's out. That will be the hole for the supporting points, so the jacking point, and this is the rubber or plastic. Okay, so to install, just to get that in, and then the central plug get in. The two clips here will be pushed out so that the jacking point will hold the metal over there. So this is how to remove the jacking point. That is the central pin. Have another look. A little bit hollow inside. That's the pin.